adventures in Japan.
Hello, all you wonderful people. Today, I'm basically hitting the reset button on my life. I just got a brand new apartment. So I figure, let me give you a tour of what you would see if you walked into your standard small Japanese apartment. So right now, I don't have any electricity, or denki as they say out here, so I need to hit the circuit breakers. 1, 2, and 3. And then as God said, let there be light! And there was light, and it was good. And this is my little kitchen area. I've got my own little sink and my own little, my little stove and, a box for utilities, I guess. And then I got my bathroom. Bathrooms in Japan usually are a toilet and a tub/shower area. Now, they do like to take baths out here, but I don't think I'll be just taking showers. Now, if you've never been to Japan before, you're probably just thinking jump in there and turn the hot water on. That's a great idea, but you do need to hit this button before you go in to set the heat. Because if you don't set the heat, you're going to be really cold in that shower. And then, as they say on MTV Cribs, this is where the magic happens. This is my beautiful apartment. Spacious enough to fit one bed and one person. And I've been lucky enough to be gifted a refrigerator and this bed. This was fully furnished. Oh, and also I have a little closet here that I can put, well, whatever I want to put in here. And other than that air conditioning machine right there, that's my Japanese apartment. Well, that turns out like in a horror movie. Well, what am I waiting for? Let me fill this sucker up. But there are some things that I don't have with me, like a trash can, toilet supplies, a curtain, so people don't see what I'm doing in here. So I think I have to make a trip to IKEA, or IKEA as you probably call it. So let's go to IKEA! Well, I'm back from IKEA. I got curtains, I got a bath rug, some nice pillows and an okay pillow. Then from the dollar store I got a Goro rolling thing. I got clear for the floor, and I got the sticky paper for the Goro and the some cleaners and a watch. So I always know what time it is. Now, in hanging up these curtains, I've come to a problem, or maybe an impasse. The curtain that I bought doesn't have like hooks or anything in it, or anything it could attach into. I thought it might have holes in it, but it just has this like fishing wire in between. I thought these might be like hooks, so you can kind of hook them on, but no, they're all around the same. So I gotta think, how do I fix this? I don't have rope, I don't have hooks that can attach to that, but I do have floss. Let's get clean. And now I have curtains. Very fresh smelling curtains that dentists would just love. So you got a good look of my room before I moved in, and now this is after everything's all kind of put in here. I still need to have like a shower curtain. I forgot that. But now this is my my new room. Got to organize a little better. But this is it. But there's one important thing that's missing, and if you didn't have this in your home, you'd probably say, hey, I kind of need that. And that's a washing machine. You may say, well, you also need a dryer, but in Japan it's very, very normal not to have a dryer. There's a solution to that. Come with me. right under the train tracks that are in front of me, the Japanese have something very, very special. They even have a special word for it. They don't have it anywhere else in the world, so don't bother trying to find it. It's called coin laundry. So I'm thinking I'm going to be spending a lot more time in laundromats. Gives me more time to edit videos, I guess. And I think I'm getting a pretty good deal on this place. I'm friends with the person who owns the building. So I got the place with utilities included about $350 a month. Maybe with the coin laundry, I'll probably have to put in about $400 a month. Not that bad, but this is a reality of Japan. If you want to live in Japan, you have to think small. A lot of people are like, why don't you buy everything that you see when you're out in the stores and stuff? It's like, well, where am I going to store it? Storage is a commodity out here. You really have to know where you're going to put everything. But, as I always say, you can do it. I can do it. We can all do it. You guys stay groovy. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to christen my toilet now and really set myself into this house.
Well, if you excuse me, I'm going to rip me a big one. Right, yeah, here we go.
But before I do that, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like adventures out in Japan and this is the first time seeing one of my videos, please click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell, because when you click that bell, it notifies you of my stuff. If for some reason YouTube is a little crazy and it won't notify you about the places you subscribe to. So make sure you click that bell, and as I always say, you can do it, I can do it, we can all do it.
I gotta go, bye! Oh, wait.